Horse, dolphin, giraffe, crocodile.
Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too. Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Today is a really good day to learn some animals. Let's start.
Hooray!
Dog, dog, dog.
Wow!
Cat, cat, cat.
Oh, wow!
Mouse, mouse, mouse.
Wow!
Horse, horse,
Oh, I love it!
horse.
Wow!
Duck, duck, duck.
I love it!
Chicken, chicken, chicken. Polar bear, polar bear, polar bear.
Beautiful!
Penguin, penguin, penguin.
Hooray!
Elephant, elephant, elephant. Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. Bird,
Wow!
bird, bird. Lion, lion, lion. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit.
Oh, I love it!
Fox, fox, fox. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Cow, cow, cow. Sheep, sheep, sheep.
Oh, wow!
Tiger, tiger,
Wow!
tiger. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Wolf, wolf, wolf. Goat, goat, goat. Fish, fish,
That's great!
fish. Dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. Shark, shark,
Oh, I love it!
shark. Turtle, turtle, turtle.
Wow!
Pig, pig, pig. Frog,
Good job!
frog, frog.
Oh, wow!
Snake, snake, snake.
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful!